The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Hello and welcome to my channel. This is The Kid in the City. I am Jonte. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. If this is not your first time, welcome back. You already know we're jumping into another get ready with me, another makeup tutorial. This tutorial is very sun-kissed matte makeup, full glam kind of feel is kind of what I'm going for. We're getting into new blush, we're getting into a new eyeshadow palette, and you know, we're just getting into the looks. So it doesn't even matter. If you want to see how I got to this nice full glam sun-kissed look, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Okay, so we do have a I don't want to call it a new palette because I've had it for a minute. I just haven't used it yet. So we do technically have a new palette that I'm super excited to get into. It is the Juvia's Place The Magic Mini Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to bring it close so you can see. This is super colorful. So let's get into the colors. Here we go. Come on. Hey, there we go. These colors are so pretty. So today I'm just creating a nice like neutral eye. It's not going to be anything too crazy, and literally the paper was on it, so that's how you know I have not used this palette before. But this is going to be fairly easy. I'm not going to do anything super crazy. Again, whenever I do an eyeshadow, I prime with my concealer. So this is going to be the Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer in the shade 35N. And I'm gonna prime my lid with this, and then we're just gonna jump right into the palette. So I take a little mini sponge, a very small one, to get in there and just literally put in that concealer right on the lid before I blend it out. I'm actually really excited to get into this palette. I actually just want to jump right in. I don't even want to do a lot of the, you know what I'm saying, a lot of the, you know. I just want to get in there, you know. I'll be so corny. As always, I have my brush cleaner from Crayon Case. And with a flat brush like so, you see that, with this nice flat brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Kesi. So it's gonna be this light tan right here. This is gonna be the first shade. It's Kesi. So I'm gonna assume that stands for Kesi. But yeah, this is gonna be the first shade that we go in with. And I am just going to bring the color really all the way over. I am going to blend it out, but like so. This is a very good pigment, so you actually don't need a lot of product. Like I think that's really all I want to apply. That was super fast, super quick. Did not take a lot of product to get to that. Boom. So now we're gonna go into the transition shade. So I want to go in with Nana, this one. So this shade, come on, this shade right here, it's Nana. I don't know, they don't have the pronunciation for these things, baby. They just give it to me. Okay. So with a rounded brush like so, I'm going to go in with this shade, and this is going to be my transition shade. So it's going to be right above my eyeball, like literally right above my eyeball. That's where that color is going to start. Now I am just gonna bring this on the outer part, like right where that lighter color went. Okay, and now with a medium fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. So I'm going to just go right on top of that color, on top of the transition color, and just blend that out right into the bottom of the eyebrow. Very subtle, you know what I'm saying? Very subtle, very cute. Not too much. And now with that original flat brush and Kessie, that first color, I'm just gonna go back and just put that right into the transition color and just add that back in just a little bit. And that's it. You feel me? That's it. Easy peasy. We ain't doing a lot. We ain't doing a lot. You know what I'm saying? Because we don't need to. Easy. Eyeshadow be so easy. Eyeshadow is only difficult if you make it difficult. Anyway, that's basically going to be the eye. I feel like that's all I want to do. I feel like if I add something else, I'm going to regret it. So yeah, that's all we're going to do. So now we are just going to copy and paste. Okay, so the eyeshadow is done. So we're going to move the look along, okay? I'm trying to fix this eyeshadow as best I can, but I think I messed it up. You know what I'm saying? It's just blotchy. I just think I messed it up. I'm trying though. I'm really trying. I just don't think I'll be able to fix it. Yeah, I think it's a dub. I messed that up, so it is what it is. Okay, so this is where we are with the glam. So I am going to get myself together, take my hair out, and then I will be back with the final look. Okay, so here we are with the final look. Y'all know I had to go and throw my golds in. We already know this. So yeah, I'm super happy with how this look came out, because we got into a new palette from Juvia's Place, also the Magic Mini. Super easy. I did mess up the lid on my own, but that's neither here nor there. It happens. But all in all, this is a super nice glam. I am obsessed with it. Again, I always like a matte finish for the glam, so I feel like the extra products really, like, of course still kept it full glam matte finish, but you know, it's just looking very gold, very sun-kissed, very bronzy, very brown, but I love it. That is basically it. Thank you so much if you have stuck around for the tutorial. I do appreciate it. I thank you for your time. Do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. And that is all. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time. Bye.